Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to create a construction for our roof. So now we're looking on our floor plan, and from here we're going to choose our dimensions. But first of all I'm going to choose my layer for the roof. Next I'm going to take the measurements. How you remember now that we have a 50 centimeters away from our walls. So let me just measure this and add the 50 centimeters plus, and copy and paste this line away from our floor plan. And on the other side, in the same way, 50 centimeters away from the wall, and then add another 50 centimeters. And let me just close this line. Okay, now let's delete this line that we're not going to use it anymore. And we have our base for our roof. Now you can see that our roof is not like a typical other roofs. We have just one center, and it just on the middle is pops out. That line is going to be in the middle, and like we see on our elevation, that is what we're going to do. Now let me choose our line command and then select the mid command and put this line over here. Now this is our separate way. Now we're going to drive our massive wood that is called the entire roof. Let me just delete this line. Okay, now we have a main support wood for our roof. On the both sides of this roof I'm going to create the secondary holders, wood holders for our roof. Let me just draw this line over here. Use the offset command. Not going to be a 50 centimeters. I forget that we have the roof that is away from our floor, so that is we're going to create a space, and then we're going to use offset command and set the 50 centimeters value for the secondary holders of the roof. Now I'm going to use the lane command to put the dimension 100 centimeters that is going to be a part for our supporting wood. And just copy and paste this to the end of our roof. And let me just delete the necessary lines. I'm going to copy and paste all these lines to the other side of our roof. And that is it. We have created our construction for our roof. It's very simple and very straightforward work. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.